Have you ever thought what it is like to make your own customized home in a community that is already developed? Well, the Mac is giving you that chance. Before anything, let's talk about the Mac. The Mac Hills too. It is a developed community. You have everything there. Let's talk about the amenities. You have the sports town, you have the water town, you have a downtown which has your regular groceries, and you have the hospitals, cafes, everything present. So name it, the Mac Hills too has it. Basically a community within a community. It has different kind of clusters there, majority of them which are already handed over. Now welcome to the Mac Hills, Dubai's most fast growing townhouse and a villa community, also apartments, and one of the most transacted community in Dubai. Now the Mac has given you the chance to own plots here in the Mac Hills too. If you see outside, the prices of plots are quite on the higher end. The Mac is giving you affordable option. Now these plots are present in two clusters, that's Mulberry and Hawthorne. Not only that, these clusters are placed very close to your water town. So that means you have easy access of the amenities. Now let's talk about the sizes and the prices. Well, they start off with a size of 1,881 square feet, the starting price of 838,000 dirhams, going all the way up to 2,200 square feet, and the pricing starting from 1 million dirhams. Now all these villa plots are G+1 structure. Not only that, you can also get a corner plot facing the park, you have the community view. Now I can't justify how the Mac Hills too as a community is. I mean, the demand for townhouses and villas have increased in any which ways. The Mac is giving you a chance to build your own customized villas right there. What's better than making your own home and living in it? Your own design. For investors, this is a great chance to grab in because you're getting a chance to put out in the market once it is ready. Now the Mac Hills too, when I talk about n number of amenities, well, you have the lagoons, you have lazy river, you have the fishing area. Then if I come to the sports town, you have basketball court and so many other amenities, so many things to do in the Mac Hills too. Now let's talk about the connectivity and location. The Mac Hills too is 20 to 30 minutes from downtown. Now due to the recent development, this time can also cut short. Not only that, you have a shuttle bus which is already present there. We are expecting a metro there. So connectivity won't be an issue because you have everything present. Now let's talk about the financing. Well, this is all upfront payment. You have to pay 100% plus the 4% DLD. Now they always say plots have certain value that buildings don't, and the land value always appreciates. So this is your chance to grab on this opportunity and build your own customized home, be it if you're an investor or an end user. I just see pros and pros. Now if you're interested or want to know more about the financing, about the plots, about the Mac Hills too in general, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.